monster.
Peppa!
George, what's all the fuss about? Monster!
Up there! Thump, 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 thump.
I do hear something. It's coming from the attic. The monster must be in the attic. We must be brave and find out what it is.
Brave?
What's all this fuss about? Are you two trying to reach the attic?
Yes, Daddy. There's a monster up there.
A monster, eh? Let's have a look.
Wow, it's very dusty up here.
Achoo!
Aha! The mystery sounds are coming from over there.
It's the monster, Daddy. It's a rocking horse. Horsey.
It's my old rocking horse. The wind must have made it rock.
This is fun.
Just like when I was a little piggy.
Well, George, it wasn't a monster at all, was it?
No, just a horsey.
And Daddy Pig being silly.
Time to go downstairs now, little ones. Our monster hunting adventure is over.
It wasn't scary at all.
No monster.
So, George, no more scary monsters in the attic, eh?
No monster, just horsey.
George Pig